Hey, dear entrepreneurs, have you ever thought about starting your own online business, your own online store, but you felt overwhelmed by tech stuff? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you Shopify, the ultimate platform to help you create your online store effortlessly. Shopify is one of the easiest and most affordable, powerful e-commerce platform. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to scale, it provides everything you need to sell. Either a product, physical product, digital product. You can manage inventory and reach customers worldwide, all in one place. So are you ready to take that bold step in creating your online store? Here is why Shopify is perfect for your online business. It's super easy to set up, no coding needed. It has 100 customizable themes to match your brand. You can sell anything, physical product, digital download, and even services. And Shopify offers built-in payment gateways and make transactions seamless for you and your customers. So if you're just jumping on this channel, you haven't subscribed up to now, please do subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing easy way for you to make money, flexible way for you to make money in this year 2025. So kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give me a thumbs up if I'm making sense. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, let me show you how easy it is for you to get started. First, go to shopify.com, or preferably go to the link that you see in the comment section, or in the first link you see in the description of this video. Click on the link. You'll be able to sign up for a free trial. Then pick a theme, add your products, customize your design, and boom, you are ready to sell. Wow. Yes, you are ready to sell. It's that simple. You can even have your store live today. Yes, you can have your store live today. So are you ready to turn your business into reality? Start your 14-day free trial with Shopify by clicking the link in the description below. And guess what? You don't even need a credit card to start. Start your free trial today. Start your free trial today. And I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone who have been watching, who have been supporting this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. And let me know in the comments what kind of products or services you are planning to sell. I'd love to help you out. Yes, Glad Coaching. We are here to help our audience scale. So I'm here to help you. So there are a lot of things I can also introduce to you: systems, funnel building, email marketing. So in my next video, I'm going to be sharing various systems that you can plug in into your own Shopify store or your own website that can continue to attract more customers and make your website more visible for buyers to reach you. Until next time I come your way, ensure that you have shared this video, you have given me your comments. Guys, I am just glad coaching, just starting out, launching out things I know that can help you guys to grow. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.